Welcome to another Ms. Oxner Flipped Classroom Original. I'm Ms. Oxner, and today we're talking about food. This is an introductory lesson as a starter to our hunger project. In this short video, we'll review what a calorie is and the different compositions of food, including proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. So let's get started. You are what you eat. Why do people say that? If all I eat is corn chips and donuts, then am I made up of corn chips and donuts? Of course not. What you put into your body is important for how it functions. A calorie is a unit of energy your body needs in order to function, but not all calories are created equal. Your basal metabolic rate, or BMR, is the rate at which your body burns calories just to sustain life. Digestion, thinking, and moving blood all require calories. Most people have a BMR of 50 to 80 calories per hour, or 1,200 to 1,920 calories per day. Your exact BMR is dependent on your own personal genetics, muscle mass, among other factors. Protein. Protein is important for making hormones, enzymes, and building and repairing tissues. There are many different sources of protein. Meat is the protein source that people think of most often when they think about protein. Chicken, duck, turkey, beef, and pork are all sources of meat protein. There are, however, a lot of vegetarian sources of protein as well. Many beans, including black beans, pinto beans, garbanzo beans, legumes, including lentils, and nuts are all great sources of vegetarian protein. Dairy is another great source of protein. You can have eggs, milk, cheese, and even ice cream. Sometimes dairy is considered in the same category as eggs, even though they're two different things. Protein is a very valuable food source, and some people eat extra protein when they are trying to build muscle. Carbohydrates are quick energy and can help maintain proper blood sugar levels during and after exercise. And before you ask it, butter is not a carb. Sorry, Regina George. Some sources of carbohydrates include bread, pasta, and potatoes. Carbohydrates in which the fiber is removed, as in the case with white bread or non-whole wheat pastas, are less healthy because they are absorbed more quickly and essentially just become glucose or sugars. Fats. Fats help support cell growth. Some nutrients, such as vitamin D, are only fat soluble, and so they are needed for absorbing these essential nutrients. There are good fats and bad fats. Avocado is considered a good fat. Other good fats include some animal fats in moderation, olive oil, and nuts. Let's review. A calorie is a unit of energy your body needs in order to function. Protein is important for making hormones, enzymes, and to build and repair tissues. Carbohydrates are quick energy that can help the body maintain proper blood sugar levels during and after exercise. Fats help support cell growth and help with absorbing some essential nutrients. Here are a few links to help you learn a little bit more about healthy eating. The Mayo Clinic link goes in depth on some dietary guidelines to help you live a healthier lifestyle. This YouTube video will talk about how food affects your brain, and this one will show school lunches around the world. After you have finished, viewing the videos, please follow this link to a short quiz to reflect what you have learned during this flipped classroom video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.